Hi family! Today is 12th of August 2024. Guess what? Nanganak na po tayo. Yung daddy. Ayan. Say hi dad! So guys, nanganak na ako kahapon. I gave birth yesterday. Yun. Update muna. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang pagod. Wala pa akong tulog. No sleep for how many? Like, labor ako 7:30 on Saturday. Nanganak ako Sunday ng 11 p.m. So, 25 hours of labor. So, anak ako medicated vaginal delivery or medicated normal delivery. It's outside. It doesn't sound right kasi medicated vaginal delivery kasi I had to have an epidural, but we managed to do it as vaginal delivery. So thank God for that kasi ayaw ng C-section. As much as possible, we tried our best to have a natural vaginal delivery. So, meron na tayong lumabas na. Ay, umiiyak siya. Okay. Umiiyak siya kanina. She's crying. I'll show you our little one. Hindi pa kami makakauwi kasi it's what do you call this one? We're waiting for me to pee. Yeah. 2 more and then we can go home. Yep. So konting kembot na lang kaya inom ako ng inom ng water. Ang sakit. Sobrang sakit. Masakit pala siya. Hindi ako makalakad ng maayos kasi may nangyari dun sa baba. Basta I'm not gonna go in details, pero yung mga nakaka-relate, alam nyo na yun. Pero worth it naman lahat ng ating pain, pagod. Guys, share ko sa inyo yung hospital food namin. Potato, sausage, apple juice. Pero inano ko naman to. I ordered it. What's this? I can't even remember this one. Mousse. And yay, I got soup. And then soup. Maybe this is nice. And bread. So, kain. So, kain tayo. Ano bang nangyari ngayon? Today, minamonitor nila kami every almost 2 hours. Kasi nga, our labor went over 24 hours. So, pag 24 hours from the start na yung water broke, you have to be observed before you go home for infection. So, both me and Bambina, ni-reveal yun. Bambina, we need to have vital signs observed every 2 hours, I think. And then, ano pa ba yung mga nangyari ngayon? Someone came in to help me with breastfeeding. Kasi magbe-breastfeeding ako. So, may mga instructions lang siya and how to do better best breastfeeding or successful one. Chinek din siya, si baby, ng newborn check, ng heart niya, eyes. Did she check her ears?
Yeah.
Ears, heart, and spine, and then yung bum niya. So, Bambina has, what do you call that? Asian bum. Yung nagbo-blue.
Mongolian bum.
Parang ganito. Yeah. Mongolian bum. Lalagay ko dito yung picture. So, meron si Bambina. Meron siyang konti.
We can go.
Oh, okay.
Okay then.
Daddy will put you in the car seat now. Okay.
Alright. Just sit in there like this. Oh, is that snug? Is that nice? Okay.
It's alright. It's okay. We got you. There you go.
Okay.
Well done.
Well done, girl. Okay.
Okay.
You want to sit hat?
Maybe.
No, you said
No.
it's hot.
So,
Okay.
okay. Toy.
You toy.
Toy.
Alright. Oh, good.
Wow. Wow. An electric thunder.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, but
Mm.
turn it. Wow, look at you. Yep. That's Thank you.
Okay, have you got all your notes?
Yes.
put them in the car.
You have, okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your lovely baby.
Yes, you will. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, take care.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
Dad, look here. Oh, fresh air. Where's our car? Lucas going home. Wow. And Daddy is driving. Good job, darling. Oh, you're kicking him. Wow. Lucas going home. It's Aliyah. Aliyah, look at you and your bunny. Yeah.
think she loves the car. She's sleeping. Hello! Look who's here! Hello, lady! Lady! Look, you wanna meet your sister? Look! This way! Lady! Protect your sister, okay? You know when you go for a walk, you have to protect her from other dogs, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, darling. Yeah, good girl. You will. You'll be a good big sister to Aliyah, aren't you? You'll protect her, so you'll be good. Huh? Okay, you protect her, huh? Okay, she'll be your little sister slash you'll be her protector. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh. Pala nagre-record. Came off now. I kept it there in the bottle. In the pocket.
Inside the look safe.
No. No, look at it. It's safe. So I won't misplace it.
You won't eat it.
Yeah.
I think it's a better place.
She's like partially opening her eyes. No. Tiny, first time to pump. So happy. It's really cool. Oh, I love it. Even though it's painful. I got milk. Bina is having colostrum. I'm giving her harvested colostrum here. You like it? That's what you're gonna get when you suck on this.